Welcome back to the office. Okay, it's been leaking here for several months at least. I mean, that's really bad. And then we got this one that's about to start. So we got some new copper here. There's a coupling down this way, and we're gonna mega press onto these 3/4 lines right here in front of you, and then run copper all the way down here. All right, here's another one as well. There's another one, and we're almost to the coupling. That's galvanized pipe for you. All right, now I'm coming down to you. Okay. Recording? Yeah. I know you're recording, but is there any way you can take one hand and just hold that? Nice. All right, that's good. Now we just gotta figure out how to stop it. Yeah, you can stop it. Okay. Yep, is it on? Is the machine on? There you go. Go for it. All right. No, wait. What are you got going? About 40 feet.